Welcome to Sierra RV, and here's a look at one of our great units for sale. Treating customers like family and offering the best deals around has always been our priority. Our staff will give you the relaxed, knowledgeable service you deserve, whether you're looking for a fifth wheel, travel trailer, toy hauler, or camper to get your adventure started. The bottom line is that folks have many places to choose from, but we offer the best prices, the best service, and the best inventory. So give us a call or stop by today. You'll be glad you did.